Is your cleaning routine a choreographed dance of frustration, cursing under your breath as you wrestle with a bulky vacuum cleaner? Imagine a world where cleaning becomes almost effortless, where a nimble and powerful machine tackles dust bunnies and pet hair with glee. Enter the Eureka NEU182A PowerSpeed, a lightweight champion ready to transform your cleaning experience from drudgery to delightful efficiency. This review dives deep into the features of this bagless upright, exploring its strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's the knight in shining armor your cleaning routine desperately needs. Lightweight maneuverability makes cleaning a breeze. One of the most striking features of the PowerSpeed is its weight, a mere 10 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture, navigate stairs, and clean hard-to-reach areas. No more wrestling with a heavy machine that leaves you exhausted after a cleaning session. This is a major advantage, especially for those with multi-story homes or limited mobility. Power-packed for everyday cleaning. Despite its lightweight design, the PowerSpeed packs a punch with its dynamic motor and brush roll. It effectively tackles dust, debris, and even stubborn pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The 12 6-inch wide nozzle covers a good amount of area, allowing you to clean rooms quickly and efficiently. Versatility for every cleaning job. The PowerSpeed goes beyond just basic floor cleaning. Its 5 height adjustments let you customize the suction for carpets of varying thicknesses, hard floors, and even delicate surfaces. This vacuum also shines with its array of included attachments. The quick-release handle paired with a stretch hose allows for comfortable above-floor cleaning. The crevice tool tackles tight spaces like corners and baseboards, while the dusting brush and upholstery tool handle furniture, curtains, and even car interiors. Convenience features for effortless cleaning. The PowerSpeed boasts a user-friendly design with convenient features that make cleaning a less tedious chore. The extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup minimizes the need for frequent emptying, allowing you to clean more without interruption. Additionally, the washable filter eliminates the need for constant replacements, saving you money in the long run. Is the Eureka NEU182A PowerSpeed right for you? This vacuum cleaner is a great option for anyone looking for a lightweight, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning solution. It's particularly well suited for apartment dwellers. Compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for smaller living spaces. Pet owners. Powerful suction effectively tackles pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Busy families. Quick and efficient cleaning with minimal hassle. What to consider before you buy. While the PowerSpeed is a great all-around vacuum, it may not be ideal for everyone. Here are some things to consider. Deep carpet cleaning. For homes with thick carpets or heavy-duty cleaning needs, a more powerful upright vacuum might be necessary. Upholstery pet hair removal. While the upholstery tool is helpful, a dedicated pet hair removal tool might be needed for heavily pet-infested homes. Overall, the Eureka NEU182A PowerSpeed is a solid choice for everyday cleaning needs. Its lightweight design, powerful suction, and versatile attachments make it a valuable addition to any home. While it might not be the most powerful machine on the market, it offers excellent value for its price and is a great option for those seeking a convenient and user-friendly cleaning experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.